Pex, you gonna do the intro? Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm redoing a day in the life of my dog. And he's 1 day older than me actually, so yeah, let's get right into the video. Pexy, what are you gonna do today? Oh, it's kind of boring sometimes. Basically all day he naps, basically naps 24/7. Because, you know, nobody's home in my family, so nobody does anything with him. But, you know, why not go get the ball and maybe play some ball with him? So, yeah. So my dog's name is Paxton. I just call him Paxy though, everybody does. And he's really bored right now, so Pexy. And there he goes. It's kind of funny actually. He scrapes the whole floor when he goes. And then once he's done, he just lays down. Basically, that's all. That's basically all he does. And then he won't let me even grab the ball. Heck, give me the ball. Pretty cute. Hexy, come on. Go get it. Where'd it go, Paxton? So basically, that's all he does all day. Nap. Yeah. So the other thing that Paxton does is, you know, when someone rings the doorbell and knocks on the door, he goes sprinting down to go get the door. So, I'm gonna have my mom knock on the door, and you'll see what he does when we do. So, yeah. Pexy, what are you doing? Oh yeah! Pexy, go get go. I guess I'll have to open the door. Oh, who's here? Oh. Nobody's here, Pexy. Oh wow, it's pouring outside. Oh, there's my brother. Pexy, come inside. Come inside. Who's there, Pexy? And then what Paxton does is wander around the whole neighborhood, and then we have to go chase him. But I'm not going nowhere in this rain, so if you think I'm going out here, nope. Paxton! Here he is. Pexy, get inside. Oh no, he just left marks all over the ground with his wet feet. But yeah, that's some things that my dog does daily. Pexy, what are you gonna do now? Oh, hit the ball. Hit the ball. Go get it. Where'd it go? Ha ha. When people come home, he's so excited. So he's just all over the place. Oh, he's all wet. Oof, on my hands. What is it, Paxy? Oh, and the next thing he does... Paxy. Yeah, Paxy. What are you doing? The next thing he does is basically whine all day. And there's nobody that plays with him, so you can just watch him whine. He's not whining right now, I'm petting him, but usually once I stop petting him, he starts whining again. Pexy, what? Yep, he's whining now. Give me the ball. Basically, I have to keep giving him the ball. It's really annoying. Next thing we have to do is take Paxton on a walk, but unfortunately in this video I'm not doing that because it's raining and I'm not going to wait till tomorrow. So I guess that's just going to end it right here. Oh my gosh. Bye, Paxy. That's going to end the video right there. If you liked it, like this video and I'm gonna be making videos 2 to 3 days from right now on. So, till next time, see ya.